Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Let's begin with a look out at Muskegon tonight, where you can see very fine snowflakes are falling. And that's true across most of the lakeshore counties. It's very crystallized snow because of how cold it is. But it doesn't take much of this to make the road slick, and we're seeing that continue across the lakeshore tonight. Let's take another view out at the Ford Airport, where a lot of flights have been pretty heavily delayed, likely in part due to the snow that's been falling across parts of the central U.S., but still conditions here likely not helping. We're tracking very cold conditions for both Tuesday and Wednesday. Wind chills ranging from 10 to 25 below zero over the next 36 hours or so. Lake effect snow, meanwhile, continues west of US 131. Not expecting major accumulation, just some scattered shower activity that will continue to very slowly stack up. And then we are tracking cold weather through the rest of the week, with some warmer weather on the horizon heading into next week. It's chilly out there now. 6 in Grand Rapids and Kalamazoo, 6 in Battle Creek, 5 in Sturgis and Coldwater. In the teens closer to the lakeshore, where the wind is coming off the lake. Winds, however, between 5 and 15 miles per hour, and that is enough to really knock down that wind chill. Feeling like 9 below in Grand Rapids and Kalamazoo, 10 below in Battle Creek, 9 below in Sturgis and Coldwater. We should continue to get cooler as we head into tomorrow morning, especially approaching 20 below along I-94 into the south. Just about everywhere can expect wind chills at least 5 to 10 below zero, and that continues for us through Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. Speaking of which, wind chill advisory runs until Wednesday morning for the 2 rows of counties along the state line, as well as Eaton County. Meanwhile, we continue to see light lake effect snow, and some white snow showers are building in across the southern part of the state. Nothing terribly heavy. But again, it's those very fine snow crystals. As we head into tomorrow morning, light snow falls, especially near and south of Grand Rapids. Lake effect snow showers continue. I think they'll persist along the lakeshore as well, right on into the afternoon, before we perhaps get a bit of a break on Wednesday. Additional snowfall amounts look to be on the order of, generally speaking, an inch or two. I think that's a pretty safe number through the end of the day tomorrow. For most areas, a bit less as you head further inland. But we could certainly use the break. Here's how much snow has fallen over the last 6 days. You can see that, 25 inches over the last week, and about 18 of that came from this past weekend, at least here in Grand Rapids. Your 8-day forecast shows cold temperatures on the way. Tomorrow will be the coldest of them all, with a high near 8. Many locations not making it out of the single digits. We remain in the teens for the rest of the week, with periodic snow chances continuing. But we do begin to warm up fairly nicely into next week, with temperatures up into the 30s. I think a lot of folks would have thought that was cool as of a few weeks ago, and now are just happy to see it return.
Right, it looks like a heat wave there at the end of the day.
Yeah, this will certainly go down as likely the coldest week of the winter, at least the way it's looking for now. So if you're a snow lover, if you're a winter lover, enjoy it.
Yeah, get out there.
Yep.
All right, Blake, thank you.